Guys, Andrew here. In this video, let me show you how to upgrade to Canva Pro on the Canva mobile app. So you want to go ahead and click the three lines on the upper left hand side, and from here you want to click the drop down under your profile at the top there. Then in the list here you want to click in plans and pricing, and this is going to take you over to the plans. Now you can either pay monthly or yearly, right? You'll be able to easily go ahead and pay. You have the individual and teams plan, then you also have education that you can actually use as well, but you'll have to request this. So if you want the individual or teams plan and you want to pay monthly, these are the different ones. This is the Canva free, this is the pro. You can go ahead and actually get Canva Pro for free. You can get a 1 month trial that you can actually use for free for Canva Pro here on your mobile. So if you want to get Canva Pro for free, you can actually get it here on the mobile app. Scroll down as well, you also have Canva Teams. You can get a trial there as well, and you can actually, if you want to upgrade to enterprise, you can do that. So you can easily upgrade to Canva Pro here by simply clicking on Canva Pro. You can start using a free trial and pay. You can pay by monthly or by yearly, it's really up to you, and you see the different prices. But that's how you'll go ahead and upgrade. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click start your trial, enter your card details, and you'll be able to start using the Canva Pro free trial, and afterwards you'll be able to pay and you will continue to use Canva Pro. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.